Lesson 18. 7 Objectives in the Order of Importance. During my second year in NUS, I was overwhelmed with schoolwork, having to do my business, train associates, as well as manage a relationship with my girlfriend. I was at the brink of a burnout, and I felt that the 24 hours in a day is not sufficient for me to complete the things I need to do. I sought help from my mentor, and he asked me this: Ray, would you have any problem if you now have 84 hours in a day to do your things? I immediately replied, telling him that it is no problem. He told me, instead of completing one thing within 1 hour, what if I could actually plan and complete 7 different things within 1 hour? If I could achieve that, it means that I could complete not just 12 things in a day, but 7 things multiplied by 12 working hours. I would have been able to complete 84 tasks in a day. He shared with me knowledge, skills, and performance are correlated in a graph. The diagram has X, Y, Z axis, indicating knowledge, thoughts, and performance. When you increase your knowledge, improve your thoughts by just one box, the performance will then increase 7 times over. This is the principle of Kaizen, where a small improvement compounded over a long period of time will make a whole lot of difference. If you increase by 1 box each time, your performance will start to multiply 26 times. From this point onwards, it's exponential growth and will no longer be a linear one. When I heard this idea, I was blown away. Does this mean that by increasing my performance, my relationships, income, and happiness would also be enhanced? Over the years, I discovered that indeed this worked out for me. To do so, you must first come up with a list of things to complete in a day. Then you reorganize them in the order of importance, from the most important to the least. You then complete it accordingly, from top to bottom, and move to the next task only after the task above is completed. If you can do this daily, I assure that your productivity will increase exponentially. You might ask, what would happen if I cannot complete the whole list? It's perfectly fine, for you have already spent your productive hours doing the most important things. Let's examine this for a second. The Pareto Principle states that 20% of the things in our life constitute 80% of our results in life. For example, 20% of the people in a restaurant eat 80% of the food. 20% of the salespeople in the company deliver 80% of the revenue. If this principle holds true, it will mean that by completing 2 out of 10 things on the list, you are already 80% productive for the day. If one can be 80% productive every day, imagine the growth you can have in a year. Thank you for joining me in this lesson. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And also follow me on all my social media platforms here. And I'll see you in the next one.